Hello Rhinos, how you all doing? And today we're going to show you how to make gravy for your Christmas dinner. Why am I qualified to talk about this? Well, my name is John Collett, and in March 2018 I got diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. Within 6 months I managed to reverse my condition, and I want to help you do the same. So today we're going to make a gravy which is suitable for either if you're on a keto diet, a low carb diet, or a real food diet like me. It tastes absolutely fantastic. It's great for your Christmas dinner. So let's get into it. Let's make that gravy. So the first thing we got to do is prep the stock. Now we need 500 mils of stock, and you can prep the stock out of loads of different options. You can use either the meat juices or the vegetable juices that you make with your Christmas dinner. You can use bone broth. You can even get low carb stock cubes that you can use to make it as well. So it's a really adaptable recipe. Do whatever you want. Now what we're going to be using is these dried mushrooms, okay? Because we use these because we really love the flavor. So it doesn't mean you've got to use them, but you can do whatever you want, but that's what we use, okay? So let's start getting into the prepping. So first part, let's get the mushrooms ready. Pour them into the bowl, like so. And then we're going to pour 500 ml of water we boil the water from the kettle, because we got to let this soak for half an hour. And it really helps with bringing the flavors out. So step one, see you in 30 minutes. So half hour's gone. Next step, it's time to drain the mushrooms. So we got a sieve here in the bowl, and we're going to pour our stock into the sieve. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to start pushing that mushroom into the sieve to try and get the excess water out of there, so we get as much flavour as we can out. So the next step now is to leave this to cool absolutely completely, so we can make the gravy with the cool water. See you in the next bit. Alright then guys, so next part. So next what we're going to do is put the ingredients in. So we're going to put a 1/4 teaspoon in of the onion granules. Put that in the saucepan there. And we're going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic flakes.
Garlic granules as well.
Garlic or garlic granules, whatever you want to use. Put that in there. And then we're going to use a teaspoon of xanthan gum. Okay, so this is xanthan gum. It's good for gluten free, good for loads of different things. We want a teaspoon of that there, and put that in there. Now this is really the key to the whole thing. So next we're going to need is 4 scoops of this. We use goat butter, okay, because obviously in our family we have other things we've got to take into consideration as well. My wife is gluten free and dairy free, so we're going to use 4 scoops of that.
4 tablespoons.
Move this across better so you can see. We're going to put the stock in there, and then we're going to get to the whipping. So whip it all up. So what we're now going to do is put this on a medium-high heat to cook out. So what we're going to do now, we're going to whisk this all the way until it gets to a boil. So I'm going to put some sage into here now, which is completely optional for you. Okay, so now we've got it to a boil. We're going to turn the heat off, and it's important that we whisk now for another minute because this is quite thick. And then we're going to do a taste after that. And then once you've done that, you can decide if you want to add any salt or pepper or anything like that to it. Now, I'm not going to season mine because I love mushrooms and I love the taste of the mushrooms coming through it. Okay, but that's up to you. You make your own decision based on the taste. Now, the thing is, you can put this gravy now in a sealed container and it'll last in the fridge for about 3 days. Okay, so you can prep it early so you don't have to do it on Christmas Day or Christmas Eve or Thanksgiving or whatever you want to prep this for. Okay, and that's it. So that's how to make gravy if you're a type 2 diabetic for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed that. Now, if you want to reverse your type 2 diabetes and you want to find out more about our program, Reversing Type 2 Diabetes, then go to the description below, click on the link, and it'll take you to my website. Put your name and your email address in there, and I'll send you a video about the 5 steps that our clients take to reduce their blood sugar and reverse their type 2 diabetes. And if you want to book a call with me later, you can do that. So the next video I'm going to do is a breadcrumb free stuffing that you can prep for Christmas Day. And I'm going to put another list here of foods that you can eat as a type 2 diabetic. Just remember, you're not a number, you're a rhino. Now charge.